Hello everyone, welcome to IT Alerts. Today's job is from Teciem. They are hiring for associate software engineer uh, with the qualifications BE, BTech in computer science or information technology with a minimum 60 of academic score and full fundamental understanding of coding and software designing concepts. And if you see here, they provided required technical skills. They want the candidates to be proficiency in .NET framework, C Sharp, programming language, object oriented programming concepts, programming fundamentals, and algorithmic thinking. Working knowledge of RDBMS with a focus on SQL Server, understanding of the software development lifecycle, basics exposure to software system design principle, nice to have. Python and exposure to Angular and HTML. And also they provided personal and soft skills, a strong ability to learn new technologies and tools quickly, a collaborative team player who contributes positively and provides valuable support to colleagues. So you can go through the all the details, and if you are looking for the software engineer position in Bangalore location, then this opportunity is best for you. I'll provide this link in the description. Please check it out from there.